Hey, this is Mrs. Atcahill. We're going to talk one last time about some circuits. I want to show you the Circuit Scribe drone kit. That's right, I told you that anything that uses electricity and turns on is a circuit, and so are drones. So we're going to build a drone with a simple circuit. So we know that a circuit needs a battery. So I have a battery. A circuit also needs a path, and the path has to be a conductor, and then it has to have a load, and the load is something that does something. It turns on in some way. And so I have a motor that runs all of these. And so knowing that I've got 4 parts that are going to be moving, is this a series circuit or is it a parallel circuit? If you said parallel, you are correct, because we will have 4 things going on with 2 conductive paths. So I'm going to start with the battery and the motor. I'm going to put the battery into the motor the correct direction, make sure that the light turns on so that I know that I have it. And there it is. So now I'm connecting my conductive path. So I'm going to use this one first. This part of my path is conductive, and it will connect with this part of my motor, which is also conductive. So it's sending the electricity or the electrons through that path. So I'm going to snap those into place. And now I'm going to do it with the other one. So again, these 2 are going to touch. These 2 are going to touch. So the battery is sending electricity, electrons into the motor sends those electrons into the path. This conductive material goes all the way through the inside. So now I've got 4 rotors. They are 2 different kinds of rotors. I have black ones and I have white ones. If you look very carefully at the difference between them, you will see that the white ones and the black ones are tipped 2 different directions. So this one is tipped this way, whereas the white ones, you can see, are tipped this direction going down. So they're opposite directions. The reason this is important for the drone is in order to keep balanced, the ones that are the same have to be opposite of each other, and they need to have one of the opposite tilt in between them. So if I put a white one on this end, then I have to put a white one opposite of that. And I can put a black one here. And put the other black one opposite. Making sure that everything that is a conductor lines up so that the electricity can pass through it. So now I have a drone that I can program and drive with the Circuit Scribe app on my smart device. Now you know how you can apply circuits.